Hi there, students. A dolt. A dolt, a person. Doltish as an adjective. Okay, a dolt is another word for an idiot, a stupid person, a moron, a blockhead. Yeah, don't be such a dolt. Don't be so stupid. Don't be so silly. Okay, so yeah, a dunce, a stupid person. I was a real dolt when I bought that car. Yeah, I paid far too much for it. So, a dolt, a slow witted, a stupid person. This word always reminds me of Homer Simpson going, duh. Yeah, what a dolt. Yeah, it's got the same sound to it. Okay, so somebody who doesn't make very smart decisions. If you call somebody a dolt, you're calling them a fool, a simpleton, yeah, a dimwit, a nincompoop. Yeah, so notice this is an insult. It's derogatory. Yeah, his doltish attitudes just make people think that he's not very smart. Okay, so yeah, if you call somebody a dolt, you're saying that they've done something stupid or something that you think is stupid. Yeah, he's a first class dolt. He always has to do it his way, and he's never capable of taking advice. So a dolt, somebody without intelligence, somebody just with no common sense whatsoever. Yeah, he's a clod, a dummy, a fool, a dimwit. Yeah. He called me a dolt, but I don't really care because he doesn't know me, and that's his problem. Yeah, now, he's just an addle-brained dolt. Okay, notice addled-brained, addled, messed up. Okay, formality. I think I'm going to give this word a neutral formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. Maybe 5.5 in formality. You could use it informally, although I might use something like moron or idiot or twerp more informally. Okay, so adult. And then as to origin, it probably comes from the Old English word dold, which is related to the word dull. Yeah, and this comes from Proto-Germanic dalaz, meaning mad, foolish, or stunned, which comes from Proto-Indo-European dwell, meaning dim, dull, obscure, not very bright or clear. Okay, so if somebody calls you a dolt, then get upset. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dolt.